Okay, I'm going to try and take apart or pull the map enclosure or map light enclosure down so I can install this FitDVR power adapter. So of course you need to open up your sunglasses compartment, and you see there's two screws up there. Go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and pull those out, and I will resume the video as soon as I get those out. Okay, so I was able to pull down the you need to use a little force, but I was able to pull down the assembly here. Notice that it has these green clips. One of the other users on the forum talked about them. It feels like you're gonna break something, but just use a little bit of force and it comes down fairly straightforward. It's not too bad. So now I just need to find the clip that the FitDVR uses, which is this clip right here. So I don't know if you can focus that in. It's an 8-pin clip. I received a email from FitDVR support, and they said that this should fit just fine on the Passport 2026, and I assume it's going to be this clip right here, or this power adapter right here. So let me give that a shot. Oh, there's another one right here. So I'm not sure exactly which one it's using. I'm assuming it's going to be this one here. Is there any other ones? I don't see any others. So it's either this one or this one. I'll let you know once I get it apart. Yep, that is it. That is the one. This 8-pin. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in, and let's see how it works. Okay, I just wanted to confirm that it is showing power here. Looks like 5 volts, or nearly 5 volts. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back together. I might have to take this housing off behind the rearview mirror so I can pull the cable through. I'm going to probably try and get it to stick right about here, and I'll put my dash cam a little bit on below it. Anyway, that's the plan. So I took the assembly apart. I linked another video of someone who did this using one of these tools right here. You basically just pry it. You stick the hook under here, pull, and this piece comes off, the bottom one, and then the same thing on the upper part. You just stick it under here, pull, and this piece will also come out. And this will give you clearance to stick your cable. Stick this cable through here, like so, and then you can plug this into your power. So again, I'm gonna stop for a second and I'll show this the final touches, or the final result. Okay guys, this is the final result. I put it about right here because the plug for the power is over on this side. I wanted to give it enough room to plug in. Unfortunately, the dash cam that I'm using, after I plugged it in, it's asking whether or not it is storage or if it is plugging into a PC. I'm using a CoView dash cam. Don't remember what model this is, but I might just go ahead and just invest in a better dash cam. But it is getting power. One thing you should know is if you are if you want constant power, this is not going to work. So once you get away and move away from your vehicle, and the lights and the doors and everything are closed, and everything locks, after about 3 or 4 minutes, this will actually shut off. So they do have a universal adapter that you could plug in, possibly plug into the rear view mirror. I almost tried that, but I've had really bad luck with the kind of adapters where you just plug the wires into an existing outlet. So you know, they just typically short out and get dislodged. So anyway, I opted for this one. This is the 8-pin version of the FitDVR, and as you see, everything fit back just like normal. So everything looks good. Everything fits just fine. I hid the cable. You can probably see a little bit of it up here. I could probably try and push that in a little bit more, so it can be hidden a little bit more. But yeah, this is my install of the FitDVR. I'll let you know what I find out about my dash cam. But and I don't really need, I work remote, so I don't really need to worry about parking mode. I probably will worry about it later, but once they come out with a version that fits into our the rear view mirror, which is a 6, I believe it's a 6-pin. I believe they went from a 7-pin Type A to a 6-pin in the 2026 Passport. So anyway, just want to let you all know. Signing out. Bye.